Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run Pocket Option Robot Alpha Master. That's the best binary option robot in my view. You can download this robot and get started today also. Just use the link you see up there right now. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. And also in this video make sure you see to the end, because in the end in this video I will show you all the trades, and we will also check out the win rate because people are asking about that, so we'll check out the win rate. So make sure you see to the end of this video. But now let's start up Alpha Master. So we are done. So for once I'm going to check a different type of view. Here you can see the trades that is taken today. People asked me one time what is the win rate and thing, and let's go down. Profitable trades are 71% with Alpha 1 Master. So there you have it. So like I said, if you want to run this robot also, link below the video and you can download get started today.